Shalom. My name is Michael Decker, and I am a lawyer within the law offices of Cohen, Decker, Pex and Brosh. Today I wanted to discuss the topic of marriage in Paraguay. In previous videos we discussed the topic of marriage in El Salvador, and you must be asking yourself, what's the difference between the marriage in Paraguay and the marriage in El Salvador? Well, the main difference is that in El Salvador, no one needs to even go to El Salvador in order to get married, and we can arrange this whole process via proxy. But in Paraguay, one of the couple will need to fly to Paraguay in order to arrange for a marriage certificate. And also, the marriage in Paraguay has more weight when it comes to the Interior Ministry. And specifically when it comes to a foreign spouse and a married spouse that are an Israeli spouse that are married and want to arrange the status of this foreign spouse. The Israeli Interior Ministry basically accepts the marriage certificate of Paraguay for the policy regarding a foreigner that's married to an Israeli via a shorter process, so that in 4.5 years the foreign spouse is supposed to receive Israeli citizenship. Whereas if you present an El Salvador marriage certificate, the process is longer, and the Interior Ministry does not accept it with the same weight as it does the Paraguay marriage certificate. However, the Supreme Court still forced the Interior Ministry to accept an El Salvador marriage and to register the couple as being married. As you know, in Israel, because Israel is a Jewish and democratic state, all marriage in Israel is religious, and only Jews can marry Jews, Christians can marry Christians, and Muslims can marry Muslims. In addition, there are many regulations within religions that prevent people from getting married, such as within Judaism, a priest, a Kohen, cannot marry a divorced woman, and someone that's a mamzer, a bastard, can't get married at all in Israel. And in addition, people of the same sex, which is something common nowadays, cannot at all get married within religious courts, within none of the religious courts in Israel for that matter. And also, there are people that can't leave the country, for example, if they have restraining orders against them, or if people's visas aren't settled with the Interior Ministry, they might be afraid to leave because they're afraid that they won't be let back into the country. Or some people, for matters of conscience, because they're secular or atheists, don't want to subject themselves to religious courts at all. And therefore, the Paraguay marriage solution is very, very convenient in situations like this, because only one spouse needs to fly to Paraguay with a proxy, and along with an attorney that we work with there, he can arrange for a marriage certificate to be sent to us. Our office helps many people with these matters, and we can help you as well if you need. We thank you very much for your time.